guys, what we'll be doing today is how to add weight naturally at home. If you want to add weight without having belly fat, you want to add weight on your front and your back, have more hips, this is what you actually need. So this particular one is from ED, which is HAFERFLOCKEN, which means oatmeal. It's really good, guys. Using it as breakfast is good. So the next thing, guys, is ARUBA tropical multivitamin. This particular one is really good because it do contain high amount of nutrients and multivitamins that can easily help boost your body. And not only that, it will also help you have that lovely and nice skin, and also help your weight gaining process to look more firm. So what we will do right now, guys, I will just go ahead and add 2 or 3 tablespoons. Actually, guys, if you want to add more, you can add more because it's really good. It contains a lot of calories. Calories is actually what we need to add weight. Consuming what contains a high amount of calories will help you get weight instantly without any side effect. So what I will do right now, I will just go ahead, blend everything together, and keep on watching, guys. Let's do this together. So after blending, guys, I will just go ahead and remove it from my blender. As you can see, guys, it's not that smooth, but that is how I want it. I just want to be trying something while consuming it. So what I will do right now, I will just go ahead and turn it properly, because I will be taking it out from this particular bowl and putting it in the bowl that I will be using for the recipe. So as you can see, guys, everything is here, and what you need to do right now, I will just go ahead and add hot water. Make sure your water is very boiled, or if you can't do this like this, you can just go ahead and make it the way you feel like doing it, either cooking or any other way. But I prefer to do mine like this because, as you can see, the water is very hot. It's hot enough to ferment, to make the oatmeal, which is the HAFERFLOCKEN, guys. So the next thing I will do, I will just go ahead and stir it together. Keep on stirring so that everything will mix properly. That is just it. So guys, keep on watching. So guys, this is how it looks right now, and as you can see, I'm still turning it because I want everything to mix properly. So the next thing I will be adding right now will be my powder milk. If you can't use this particular one, you can use the liquid one. It's still going to do the same thing. So if you want to add weight, do this. Take it in the morning. If you feel like taking it in the evening, no problem, but morning, use it as morning breakfast. Afternoon, if you feel like, it's still going to do the work you want it to do for you. Just going to make you add weight naturally. That is what I know for sure. So guys, that is just it. I will just keep on turning till it mixed together. Then I will just go ahead and take my oatmeal recipe. So guys, thanks for your time. I so much appreciate you. If you love this video, don't forget to keep on supporting just the way you have been supporting me. Like, share, subscribe to this channel, and please do turn on the notification bell so that when I put in any video, you can easily get notified. For those of you who are just coming in, if today is the very first time, thank you guys. I so much appreciate, and don't forget to comment as well. For my returning subscribers, may God bless you all. Do have a blessed day. Bye-bye.